Hello guys, let's learn.
No.
Let's learn.
Some kitchen tips from my dad.
I just did it.
Let's learn how to cook in kitchen with my dad.
Hello guys, let's learn more kitchen tips from my dad.
Yep, let's do that.
That's how you do it, Dad.
I hope that's not how we do it the next time, Siddhant. For now, let's make prawn stock. Toast half a teaspoon of cumin. Add about a tablespoon and a half of oil. Let those prawn heads sizzle in that oil. Add a curry leaf stalk and crush in some garlic. Roast it all on a high heat and hey, keep crushing those prawn heads to maximize the flavor. Add some salt and roast it again. And now, in goes the water. Cover the lid and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the stock to cool and sieve it into a clean bowl. The stock makes some amazing noodles, rice, or great curries. Recipes coming soon. Take a tablespoon of oil. Now toss in the chicken bones, one by one, and roast them on a high flame. Now that's the color you're looking for. Time to add those vegetable peels. And make sure that you roast them on a high flame too. Add in a little salt. And that's some good roasted color. Now's the time to add the water. The quantities are given in the description. Transfer it all into a pressure cooker. Allow the stock to cool and pass it through a sieve. In an airtight container, it can stay in the fridge for weeks. Because of the depth of flavor, stocks are awesome in dishes. Please do like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao!